Consent in mediation. Consent in mediation. Consensual agreements are the cornerstone of successful mediation. This presentation will discuss what a consensual agreement is and what it is not. What is a consensual agreement? They represent solutions parties have voluntarily chosen, not imposed upon them by a court. Consent means each party freely agrees to the terms without pressure or coercion. This fosters ownership and increases the likelihood of compliance. Active participation in mediation. Consent doesn't mean agreeing just to end the process. It's not about giving in. It's about finding mutually acceptable solutions. Consent isn't passive. It requires active participation and informed decision-making. Agreements reached without genuine consent may be challenged in court. Lack of consent. Lack of consent can undermine the integrity of the mediation process. It can also damage trust between the parties and the mediator. Some examples of lack of consent include undue influence, misrepresentation, duress or coercion, lack of capacity, unconscionable agreement, and lack of understanding. More details regarding lack of consent are discussed in the video titled, Examples of Lack of Consent in Mediation. Notes on your jurisdiction. Laws regarding who may consent in mediated agreements may vary. It is crucial to understand the specific legal requirements in your jurisdiction. Consent in mediation empowers parties and creates lasting, workable solutions. We hope you enjoyed learning about consent in mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.
Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.